Welcome to day 17, Monster 17, a mouthy lagoon dragon. We are going to start this guy by sketching one large horizontal oval and then cross over that with a vertical one. Give this lizard a big mouth and add plenty of sharp teeth. Now add some side wings at the bottom and then continue that all the way to the top. Add detailed scales to his side wings as shown, and then add a little more detail to those bulging eyes. And now, in this step, we're going to add a little monstrous drool hanging down. And now for some fun parts, like adding the color and starting to make the mouth stand out by adding darkness around the teeth. Like I said before, shading in the mouth areas around the teeth makes the white teeth stand out. Don't forget to add that drool color and add a little bit of color to his eyes. Add some orange colored pencil shading to add excitement on this swampy looking guy. Add some more realism and excitement by using a little darker green, like a dark olive green, up in those wings. Continue to make some of the features of this character stand out more with some black Sharpie outlining and some black Sharpie details. Keep refining and detailing this guy with the super fine black Sharpie. And don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends, who are all probably anticipating Monster 18 tomorrow. Hey, have a great, monstrous, swampy kind of day.